In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on VMware 17 Pro. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge, type Kali Linux ISO file download. Then you will get the first link of the official website kalilinux.org. I'm going to select the link, the Kali Linux 2023.3. So you will see here weekly and everything next installer. In this case I'm going to select, so I'm recommending that the installer 64-bit, the ISO. I'm gonna select and click download and save as. I'm going to select the desktop destination, and this ISO around 3.9 GB. So once download complete, we can start the installation process. Now the download completed, so now ISO file in the desktop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the VMware workstation. On the left side I'm going to create new virtual machine. Here I'm going to select typical mode and click next. I'm going to select the installer disk image file ISO and browse ISO destination. On the desktop I'm going to select, this is the new Kali Linux 2023.3 version. I'm going to select, okay, click next, and here you have to select the second option, Linux. The version I'm going to select Debian 11.64-bit. Click next again. The virtual name type Kali, okay. Then the location by default I'm not going to change. Click next, and store virtual disk as a single file. Here you have to increase or decrease your disk space. Now I'm gonna give 80 GB the disk space and click next, and customize your hardware. If you want to increase the RAM, in my system a physical memory, a total 8 GB RAM is available, so in this case I'm going to select 4 GB. Click finish. Now I'm going to power on this virtual machine and select the graphical install, and in this window select the language, and by default English. Click continue, and the location I'm going to select India. Continue. Configure the keyboard American English, and the installation, it will take long time, so please wait until the installation complete. And the host name is Kali. Then click continue, and domain name by default blank. Continue again, and the full name for the user techglobe, and continue, and continue again, and type the password and continue again. And the partition disk, I'm gonna select guide use entire disk and click continue. Continue again. In this 3 option I'm going to select the first one, all files in one partition, and click continue again. Again continue, and the partition disk select yes. Continue. In the software selection by default I am not going to change, continuing like this, and in this select yes, and install the group bootloader. I'm gonna select Dev SDA and continue, and finish the installation. Let me continue again, and type the username and password we have created already, techglobe, and type the password. Finally, we have installed the Kali Linux operating system. Let me show you the settings and all. And this is the application. These are the menu and all. And the file system. It's look like the Windows folder. And let me open the home folder. These are the way how to install Kali Linux in VMware virtual machine.